there, sunshine. Sit back and relax and come pull an order with me. This is Shelley's first order with me. She ordered 1 scoop, which comes with 1 extra gift. She loves all animals, but especially bears, bees, cats, and raccoons. She asks for no character items, no bath bombs, no bookmarks, no stationery. When I asked her what that meant, she said no notebooks or pens. So we're going to try to stay away from as much stationery as possible. And bath bombs I don't carry in my shop, so we don't have to worry about that piece. Okay, Shelley. Let's see what kind of Stardust you get today. Okay, we don't want to have no pens. What stationary items there are, we will limit. Let's start with our hand towel. 1 hand towel. And Shelley, when you said you liked bears, I was so excited because I have so many fun bear options of hand towels. I just have to choose one for you. You know what? How about we just give you both? How about we just give you both of those? I can't make a decision. And I think we could always use more hand towels. So I'm going to go ahead and take 1 extra bead and put it in there for the other hand towel. All right, and then let's go ahead and do a mirror and a hairbrush. Oops. Oh, good gravy. There we go, actually. I realized you have a hairbrush. So a hairbrush and a mirror. Okay. Let's give you that cute bee. Look at that beautiful bear. So amazing. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and do our 1 building block. All right, so let's see here. We're looking for bears, cats. You know what? Pandas are up there. Ooh, let's do this panda eating watermelon. Let's do the panda eating watermelon for you. Okay. We're going to do 1 sun catcher. My beautiful bee sun catcher. And let's go ahead and do 1 coaster. I'm just going to start going down the list since you got mostly stationery in your scoop. Okay, what are we looking for? Bears, bees, cats. Okay. Oh. This reminds me of like a Garfield cat. Do the raccoon. Oh, let's go with a raccoon. Let's do that cute raccoon. There we go. Do 1 coloring book. Make a decision here. Let's give you this one. Okay. Oh, you didn't get any tote bags either? What? That's crazy. Okay, well, I'm going to come back to tote bag. I didn't get any solstice picks either. My goodness. My goodness. Okay, well, let's do our... All right, we're going to do our paper acrylic clips, our keychains, and our pins or buttons. Okay, so paper acrylic clip. So I have this clip. This is a magnet on the back of it, so you can use it on your fridge to hold up papers. Let's give you this kitty cat. Let's see, bears, cats, bees. What are the bee left? Okay, well, let's start with those. And then let's give you this bear soft plush button and this bee keychain. So pretty. And then the raccoon. I'm all out of my raccoon pins. I need to order more. Let's give you that cute raccoon. And let's give you this. Ooh, this panda. Clippy, clippy. Clippy, clippy. Again, that has a magnet on the back so you can stick it. Cute little plush bear pin. A raccoon. And whoa. And a bee. Okay. Let's do one pair of socks. All right, and let's get you a bear. Let's see here. I've been waiting to give somebody that pair of socks. So those are going home with you. All right. Okay, well, let's do our coin pouch and our pouch. Okay. Look at that cute one. This is Be Happy. Yeah, let's give you that one. So cute. And then for your coin pouch, I have a cute plush bear one. I have this cute polar bear. Let's give you the polar bear. All right, let's do those two for you. Okay. Do our correction or glue tape, our washi tape, and our highlighters. All right. I figure glue tape is probably going to be great for everyone. Let's do this glue tape. So we have correction tape and a glue tape. Now we need our highlighters. And then a couple of washi tape. It's a cute bear. Oh, there's an all animal one. Let's do those two. Two washi tapes. A correction tape. Ew. The glue tape. The glue tape is great for even just letters. Scrapbooking. It's great for so many things. And two bear highlighters. These do have little stamps on the top. They're super cute. Okay. Oops. Alrighty. Of course, I'm never satisfied with how stuff is sitting. Okay, that's better. Alright, one large keychain. Bears. I'm going to do this little bear. Yellow guy. And then let's also give you a floof ball to decorate it with. Let's go with this pretty wine color. There we go. Okay. Let's do 2 self-care items. Okay. All right, so you definitely need one of these Bee lip balms. They're so cute. And then let's go for peppermint or peach. Let's go for, let's do the peach. And, whoa, holy moly. Let's give you Oh my gosh, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. I'm so sorry. There, let's do that for a wonderful little self-care moment. We're gonna put an extra bead in since we give you quite a bit more than 2. Okay, let's do a sticky note or memo pad. All right, and we want to go with bears, bees. Let's give you this cute one that says unbelievable work. A new one, and then I do have a bear. Let's see here. Let's do the sweet bear. Let's do those first. A small little stationary moment for you. There you go. Okay, do a spa headband and wristband set. All right, and you had said that you like all colors. Let's go with this spa headband and wristband set for you. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and do 2 jewelry items and 2 hair accessories. Okay, for jewelry. Can't see what I'm doing. Okay, I have to make some choices. Okay, let's do. There's a cute bear. It's a panda bear. Okay, so let's do those for your jewelry. And then for your hair, let's do a claw clip, a scrunchie, and let's do a couple of these hairbands as well. I just want the box to look pretty. Okay. All right. Let's do a plush keychain. Okay, so we're going for bears, bees. Thinking one of these bear paws. Let's go for the pink to kind of go with your box, and then let's throw in this cute little bee. Okay, your extra gift, let's do a solstice pick for you. All right, I've got a couple of options. Let's do, I'm going to do a wallet. And solstice picks are wallets, cup sleeves, trinket dishes, popsicle sleeves. Oh, you didn't get a tote bag either. Okay, well let's do this little wallet, and then let's grab you a tote bag. Or a bag, I guess. I don't want to say tote bag. Let's give you just a bag. Let's give you this. Let's give you this bag. We have this cute little bag with a zipper. And this wallet. Look, they go together. This wallet is so soft. We'll do that for your extra gift. Okay, Shelley, thank you so much for your order, and thank you so much for the challenge. I really appreciate it.